They say content is king, and they're right. But content videos are better. They rank quicker, they stick, they drive free targeted traffic to your websites, to your offers, or directly to your affiliate links, and they work in any niche. How do we know? Because we've been using content videos since 2015. Look at this. 3 years at the very top of Google. And this, 10,000 plus views on one content video. For just a couple of minutes work? And that's just the start. These tiny little content videos pull in thousands and thousands of views on autopilot. They rank and they drive free traffic without any maintenance. So, let me ask you, do you need free, targeted traffic? Traffic you can use in any niche? If you said yes, then let me show you how this works. It starts with Link2vid. Link2vid is a unique, web-based app that turns any link or keyword into a fully formatted content video in seconds. That's right, I did say link or keyword. You don't need anything else. And it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4 when you follow these steps. Step 1. Enter a page link or keyword into the software. You can turn any content-based page into a video. You can repurpose blog posts, articles, you name it. Just drop in the link and Link2vid builds you a video. Or, what about building a fully formatted content video from nothing more than a keyword? Link2vid does that too. Simply enter a keyword and Link2vid will extract the content from our huge database and deliver your new video in minutes. Step 2. This bit is optional, but if you want to, you can edit your video. Decide what goes where. Add one of our animated background templates. There are dozens to choose from. You can include images, background music, voiceovers, and a whole lot more. Step 3. View your video using our in-browser preview feature, and then upload it directly to YouTube. Link2vid integrates with YouTube, which makes the process fast and simple. Plus, you can also download the video as an MP4. Step 4. Then SEO your content video with Link2vid, and just a few clicks of your mouse. So your content videos rank fast, and you start getting free targeted traffic. Sounds easy, right? Well, that's because it is. This isn't rocket science, but it works, and it continues to work, as you will see on the page below this video. All you need is a link or a keyword, and then Link2vid does the rest. You can use Link2vid to create, upload, share, and SEO fully formatted content videos. You can use Link2vid to target and dominate any niche you like. You can start driving free targeted traffic today. And it all takes literally minutes. Make sure you watch the demo video below to see just how easy and fast this app really is. But there's more. Making and ranking content videos in minutes from links and keywords is pretty amazing all by itself. But we have a few more tricks to share. If you get access to Link2vid today, we'll also give you our own content video success formula. Remember, we've been doing this since 2015, so we know what works. If you want the kind of results you see below, all you need to do is use Link2vid with our formula. So, do you want to turn links and keywords into content videos in seconds? Do you want to see those videos rank at the top of Google and stay there? Do you want our content video formula? Yes? Great! Then here's what you need to do now. 1. Read the rest of this page. 2. Check out the results. 3. Watch the software demonstration so you can see exactly how easy Link2vid is to use. Then, click the Buy button at the bottom of this page. If you buy now, you'll pay just once, so no monthly payments. Plus, when you get Link2vid today, you'll also get our personal content video formula. The same formula we use to get the results you see on this page, so you'll know exactly how to do what we do straight away. Start now, before the price rises again.